Here you are, bud. The ultimate dragon love nest. Storm doors to keep out the cold. Nice bed of coals to keep you both warm. And an ice box for midnight snacks. Oh, a little romantic ambiance. Ah, and of course, a view any dragon would devour for. Oh, what the? Ah, so, think she'll like it? Best of all, I'm right next door if you need me. I know, he has to win her over, but I'm telling you, once she moves in, it will all be perfect.
Everett and I returned from a scout. Burke was burned to the ground.
At least everyone's safe.
For now.
No one can find us here.
That's what I used to believe, Hiccup. But they've found our nest in the far north, too. Greedy humans, they'll always find a way.
I don't believe that.
I know it might be hard for you to accept, but the dream that you and I yearn for, you know, this untouchable dragon utopia, I fear it just doesn't exist. I mean, maybe, in the end, the dragons are safer in the wild.
Wait, with crazy people like Grimmel around?
The more dragons we bring back, the bigger of a target we all become.
But they're safer with us, we protect them.
And we'll continue to do so, but I fear for their safety in these large numbers. Tame dragons are more vulnerable to humans. Their trust in us becomes their weakness. In the wild, they're better adapted to protect themselves.
A chief protects his own. That's what Dad always said.
And he was right. But as much as we love our dragons, Hiccup, they are not our own. There's a fine line between being a protector and a captor. Everett and I are heading off to track Grimmel. We'll report back with what we find. But in the meantime, I only ask that you think about